Think about this. It's early morning, somewhere on a mountain road in Nagano, the kind where the fog sits low and the cedar trees come right up to the edge of the asphalt. You pull over at a clearing, cut the engine, step out. You don't set up a tent. You don't unpack a roof box. You just lift a lever. The roof rises. You climb up. And you're looking at stars through canvas printed with a pattern you recognize from the camping gear you've used for years. The water's already on. The counter's already set up outside. The coffee is 3 minutes away. That is the morning this car was designed for, and only 20 people in the world will ever own this exact version of it. This is the Yamaha Logos Edition, the first official collaboration between K camper builder Direct Cars and outdoor brand Logos. By the time this video ends, you'll know everything. The specs, the story, the price, and the detail hidden inside the fabric pattern that most people never find. Let's start from the beginning. Most product collaborations follow the same pattern. Brand A has a product. Brand B has an audience. A licensing fee changes hands. A sticker gets applied. The result usually looks exactly like what it is. Two separate things pretending to be one. The Yamaha Logos Edition is not that. Direct Cars is a Japanese camper builder based in Atsugi, Kanagawa. They specialize in K camping vehicles, compact, practical, deeply considered builds with a loyal following in Japan's van life community. Their Yamaha series is one of the most recognizable K-Cabcon lines in the country. The Yamaha 2 appeared on Gaia no Yoke, TV Tokyo's long-running business documentary. That kind of attention does not happen to vehicles that are merely adequate. Logos is one of Japan's most established outdoor lifestyle brands, not a trend brand. A company with genuine roots in Japanese camp culture tents, coolers, furniture, apparel built around a specific aesthetic, and specific values around how outdoor living should feel. When Direct Cars asked what comes next for the Yamaha series, they did not ask how to make it bigger, faster, or cheaper. They asked, what life is this car actually for? The answer pointed directly to Logos. The collaboration that followed was not a licensing arrangement. Logos was involved from the design stage. Every color decision, every pattern, every piece of branding inside and outside went through their team and received formal certification. This is an officially co-developed product, not co-branded, and that distinction is what separates this vehicle from every other special edition at the show. Before the design and the collaboration, there is the question anyone outside Japan might reasonably ask. Why build a camping car this small? Japan's geography is not negotiable. Mountain passes with single-lane sections, village roads designed for pedestrians, campsite access tracks that end in spaces sized for 2 vehicles at most. A full-size motorhome cannot reach many of Japan's most spectacular camping locations. A K vehicle can reach nearly all of them. Then there is daily life. The Yamaha Logos Edition, with its pop-up roof lowered, fits a standard multi-story car park. It parks in a regular space. You drive it to work, park where you always park, and on Friday evening, you load it and leave. No second vehicle, no trailer, no arrangements. And finally, the design argument. Constraint produces discipline. A camping car with limited cubic meters cannot afford to waste space. Every storage solution must be deliberate. Every surface must serve a purpose. The K format is not a compromise. It is a set of design parameters that, when taken seriously, produce a vehicle that fits a specific kind of life more precisely than something twice its size ever could. The body color is exclusive to this edition, developed specifically around the Logos palette. Warm, earthy tones that belong in a forest. Correct against cedar, against granite, against the gray of early morning mountain light. It does not shout. It was designed for the environments this car is going to. The optional round headlight front mast transforms the vehicle entirely. The standard hijet truck front is utilitarian, appropriate for a commercial platform. The Logos Edition upgrade replaces it with a softer, rounder face that carries a neoclassic quality. The Logos emblem sits at the center, not large, not aggressive, just present. This is the difference between a vehicle that looks converted and one that looks designed. Then there's the embroidery. The Logos name on the exterior of this vehicle is not printed. It is not a decal or a vinyl sticker. It is embroidered, stitched fabric lettering mounted on a vehicle exterior. The wall finish is a tile effect surface textured, warm tone, designed rather than functional. It does not feel like the inside of a converted truck. It feels like a room. The touch panel control system, Direct Car's clean, icon-based interface, carries the Logos logo on this edition. Direct Cars built every system in this vehicle. The engineering, the construction, the electrical architecture, all Direct Cars. And yet the panel that controls all of it shows Logos. When you reach to activate the water or check battery status, the brand you see reinforces the same feeling every single time. You are inside a Logos product. 10 liters fresh water, 10 liters gray activated via the touch panel. The sink functions both inside the cabin and externally. A switch-operated faucet on the outside provides water access at the campsite without stepping back inside. For anyone who has stood outside a camping car trying to clean fish or rinse gear, this is the detail you didn't know you needed until you had it. The counter section at the vehicle entrance detaches completely and sets up outside as a standalone workspace. This is the core design philosophy of the Yamaha series. As a physical object, the living space does not end at the doorframe. It extends into the campsite. Upper bunk in the pop-up section sleeps 2 adults, genuinely comfortably. The pop-up simultaneously provides genuine standing headroom in the lower cabin, not universal in the K-Cab-Con category. Lower cabin converts to a 3rd sleeping surface. Total capacity, 3 sleeping, 4 in transit. Somewhere in the upper bunk structure, there is a hidden storage compartment. It exists. It is useful. It is also genuinely hidden, which means it does not appear in the brochure or spec sheet. Go find one of the 20 units and look for it. The rear hatch is the largest of any Yamaha generation size deliberately for real outdoor equipment. There is one feature in the Yamaha Logos edition that does not appear in any specification sheet, was not mentioned in any press release, and cannot be found by most people who inspect the vehicle. Somewhere within the Logos Land fabric pattern used on the pop-up roof canvas and select interior panels, the Logos logo is hidden, not as a separate element. Embedded inside the pattern itself, constructed from the shapes and lines of the design, only visible to someone specifically looking in the right light, from the right angle. At the official unveiling, Direct Car staff were asked to find it. The majority could not. This detail serves no functional purpose. It contributes nothing to any specification comparison. It exists for one reason: to reward the person who is genuinely paying attention. The person who looks at their car not as a possession, but as an object worth understanding. That kind of detail does not come from a product brief or a budget meeting. It comes from someone who was given or took the latitude to add a moment of discovery that nobody asked for, and everyone who finds it will remember for the rest of the time they own this car. That is the spirit of the Yamaha Logos edition. The hidden logo is the proof. The production limit is 20 units. This is not a marketing position. 20 reflects how this collaboration was structured from the beginning. Not a trim level that could be expanded. Not a pilot program pending a sequel. A specific bounded edition with a defined beginning and a defined end. When the 20th unit is sold, the Yamaha Logos edition ends. Not paused, ended. Pricing starts at approximately 4.6 million yen, roughly $30,000 US at current exchange rates. A fully finished factory-quality K-Cab-Con with an integrated electrical system, climate control, complete interior build-out, and a certified brand collaboration running throughout. Within Japan's K-Camper market, that figure is competitive for the specification and finish level delivered. At the time of the Japan Camping Car Show reveal, inquiries were already building. For a 20-unit run, inquiry momentum converts to sold units quickly. The Direct Cars team described a simple dream for this vehicle: that someone buys one, drives it across Japan, wakes up in places they've never woken up before, cooks outside, sleeps under a Logos Land canvas roof, and eventually parks it in front of Logos Land in Kyoto, and the whole journey makes complete obvious sense in that moment. That is not a marketing brief. That is a life. 20 people will own this car. 20 in the entire world. If one of them is you, the description has everything you need. If it isn't, this is still the most considered K camping car built in Japan in 2025. And now you know exactly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the next similar video on your screen.